Good morning everyone, my name is Abigail Vania Chandra Kirana and you guys can call me Vania. I'm from 8th Junior High School from SURAKARTA. First, we offer praise and thanks to Almighty God. And thank you to the judges who gave their time and opportunity for me to give a speech here. Audience, I want you to imagine yourself walking to a room where everyone is being mocked, judged, and isolated. Now, imagine yourself walking to a room where everyone is happy, kind, and full of respect. Which one would you choose? The second one, of course, right? Well, today, I would like to discuss about an issue that impacts many lives, bullying. Do you know something about bullying? I'm pretty sure all of you have heard about it before. But today, I want to explain it more for you guys. Bullying is more than just teasing. It can cause significant emotional, mental, and physical harm. Victims of bullying often experience anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. This effect is not only disrupt their daily life but can also lead to long-term psychological damage. In some cases, victims may struggle with physical symptoms like headache or trouble sleeping. Additionally, students facing bullying may see a decline in their academic performance while adults may struggle at work. To prevent bullying, we must take action together. First, we need to raise awareness about the harmful effect of bullying. Both school and workplace should educate individuals on how to identify and stop bullying. Second, open communication is essential. Victims should feel safe to speak up and seek for help. We also need to promote a culture for kindness and empathy. When we teach people to embrace diversity and show compassion, we create an environment where bullying is less likely to occur. Additionally, strong anti-bullying policies must be in place, and bystanders should be encouraged to intervene or report bullying when they witness it. Silence gives bullies power, but by standing together against bullying takes it away. In conclusion, bullying can have the devastating effect, but by working together, we can stop it. Let's create a world where kindness and understanding replace cruelty. So, the next time you see someone struggling or hear hurtful words being spoken, don't stay silent. Be the voice that makes a difference. Be a friend who extend a hand, and be the one who say, not here, not now, and not ever. Let's be a buddy, not a bully. Well, now you know more about bullying. I think it's all. Thank you for your attention. Bye.